In successful partnerships, we must be willing to correct and make adjustments in areas that could potentially affect the morale in the people. Now, this is part of being a good leader. This is part of being a good leader. When you have your own vision, Minister Hart, of your business or whatever, and you are bringing people under you to work with you, you have to consistently and continuously observe the morale of the people.
Consistently.
Yes, because people will get tired. Particularly when you have a big work with a small group of people, because it's a lot of responsibility. Amen. And even in ministry, I can relate that to ministry. A lot of folk don't like small churches because you got to work.
That's it.
We know when you're not here. Because it ain't but 25 of us, and we saw that you were not here today, so it's 24 of us. Amen.
Right.
Now that's the truth. Amen. That's the truth. That's real talk. And so we don't want to work you to death. We want to work you to life.
Yeah.
But we don't want you to work us to death.
Sure enough.
He gonna do right. He gonna do right.
I wasn't ready.
And so we have to constantly watch and observe the morale of the people. When we're up here behind this pulpit, or in this podium behind this pulpit, I can quickly discern if somebody's low.
Amen.
Amen. And when I discern that, I wouldn't be a good leader if I didn't address that.
Amen.
If I didn't call you later and say, hey boo, what's going on with you? Amen. So I have to, Apostle has to, as leaders, we have to constantly observe the morale of the people, and we must be willing to correct and make adjustments in areas that could potentially pull the morale down.